A woman with travel history was tested corona positive. She had come from Chennai by road with some other passengers. Health workers with the police are now looking for her fellow travelers so that they can be tested and quarantined. The woman has already been admitted at the COVID-19 hospital in Matigara yesterday. Flight services have started in Bengal from today after 65 days of the nationwide lockdown, but in a limited scale. There was a crowd of passengers in Bagdogra airport this morning who had come to board flights to different destinations. Passengers had to maintain social distancing and were thermally scanned before they entered the airport lounge area. Passengers and their luggage were also sanitized prior to entry. 6 flights will be operating today to cities like Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Guwahati, and Kolkata. Some passengers who were stranded in North Bengal due to the sudden lockdown are now glad as they are finally on their way home.
वो स्ट्रिक्टली मतलब जो जो आप खुद देख रहे हो डिसइंफेक्शन पूरा मतलब जो भी बैगेजेस हैंड सैनिटाइजेशन ये सब करके फिर आरोग्य सेतु भी चेक करते फिर हम लोग पैसेंजर को अलो बोर्डिंग पास पैसेंजर साथ में लेके आएगा जो वेब चेक इन बोर्ड ना बोर्डिंग कार्ड वेब चेक इन बोर्डिंग कार्ड साथ में लेके आएगा उनको ये मतलब जिसका पास हैंड बैगेज है वो यहाँ चेक इन के लिए भी जाने ज़रूरत नहीं सीधे सिक्योरिटी चेक जा सकते हैं वही लगेज के लिए रखा हुआ हम लोग फिर पैसेंजर बैगेज सैनिटाइज करने के बाद जाएगा अपना हैंड भी सैनिटाइज करेगा फिर आरोग्य सेतु भी चेक करेंगे फिर डॉक्यूमेंट चेकिंग के लिए जाएगा फ्लाइट और उनको अभी तक हमें एक पैसेंजर भी नहीं मिला ऐसे अगर ऐसे नहीं है तो उनको हेल्थ डिक्लेरेशन देना पड़ेगा एयरलाइंस को वो आप जैसे एयरलाइन कंसर्न उनको लेके जाएगा कोई प्रॉब्लम.
A 27-year-old Bhutanese woman had travelled to Bhutan from New Jalpaiguri a few days earlier was quarantined in Phulsiling, Bhutan. She swab tested and now she has turned out corona positive. The Bengal health authorities are now checking at the points that she had stopped on the way to Bhutan and whether she had come into contact with anyone during her journey to Bhutan from New Jalpaiguri. The woman is now in institutional quarantine in Bhutan, so officially this is the first COVID-19 case in the country. Malda district has reported 6 fresh COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours, taking the total tally of the district to 131. All these cases are migrant workers who have returned back home from other states. The Malda Medical College have conducted 12,385 swab tests and 4,314 swab tests have still remained to be conducted. 28 patients have recovered and discharged till date. The COVID-19 pandemic worldwide has now 57,93,469 confirmed cases, 3,57,491 deaths and patients recovered 25,10,224. India's coronavirus tally reached 1,58,415 with over 50,000 cases in the last 9 days. The death toll stands at 4,534 and 67,691 cases have recovered, the government data shows. The Union Health Ministry said on Saturday that 6,566 new COVID-19 patients were detected in the last 24 hours with 194 deaths. Bengal has 4,192 cases with 1,578 patients recovered and 289 deaths. Several national channels have been reporting that there is a chance that PM Modi may declare Lockdown 5.0 for another 14 days after Lockdown 4.0 ends on 31st May.